Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
You're well.
Mm.
Now, I want to ask you a challenge, okay?
Mm.
And I want you to do this challenge for me. One, it is called Don't Laugh Challenge. Why? Why don't laugh?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, yeah. Let me do this. Look at me. Why are you laughing?
You look awkward.
I look awkward.
Yeah, tafuta kitu ingine peta kufanya. Alanishika nicheke. I'm not laughing.
You're not laughing. Are you serious?
Okay,
I'm not touching you.
No,
Okay. I'm not touching you.
No.
Okay, nimetoa mkono. Okay, let's do this. Okay, look at me. Just look at me straight to my eye. Just look at my my eyes. Wanna check? You are laughing. Yeah. Let me give you number. Let me try this one. Wewe, nilikwambia kwamba usikona unafuata huyo mtu kwa sababu
kuna ujinga wewe.
Why are you laughing?
Surely. Okay.
No, I don't like jokes in my life. You know, I don't like jokes, and I say I don't like jokes in my life.
Acha kuongelea kuhusu yangu.
Oh, I say so. Sasa zote umecheka. Wewe, saidia ni ngumu. Yeah. Are you happy?
Surely. You don't do that.
Zote umecheka. Sawa. Look at my eyes. Now see blink. You can blink ni hivyo. Umecheka.
Sija blink.
Guys, she has failed all of it. Kindly subscribe.
Amesema nisi blink, but nimecheka.
Yeah, she has laughed. Kindly continue to subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. Bye.